Hey everyone, want an easy way to keep track of your bills and payments? Excel makes it simple to organize due dates, amounts, and payment status all in one place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a bill tracker. So, let's get started. First, create your headers. Include columns like bill name, due date, amount, payment method, and status. These fields help you track all important details for each bill. Next, enter a few sample bills, for example, electricity, internet, or rent. Add the due date, amount, payment method, and mark the status as paid or pending. This helps you test your tracker before adding real data. Now, format your data as a table. Select your range, go to home arrow format as table, and pick a style. Tables make it easier to filter, sort, and add new bills as they come. To track payments, use data validation. Select the status column, go to data arrow, data validation arrow list, and enter options like paid and pending. This allows you to update the status quickly without typos. To see the total amount due, use the sum function on the amount column. You can also use SUMIF to total only pending bills, which helps you know exactly what's left to pay. For clarity, use conditional formatting. For example, highlight bills due soon in yellow and overdue bills in red. Go to home arrow conditional formatting arrow, new rule, and set your conditions. Finally, save your bill tracker as a template. Go to File Arrow, Save as Arrow Excel template.xltx. This way, you can reuse the same tracker every month without recreating it. And that's it. With this setup, you can easily manage and track all your bills in Excel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.